speed rocket base, we are using a paper towel roll that we cut in half. You could use toilet paper rolls, that works very well. We are using white paint. You could use any other color paint. We're just using white stickers, markers, and anything else you want to decorate. For this next step, you'll need an Easter egg, hot glue sticks for the hot glue gun, and supervision. I have my mom here to help us. So, if your Easter egg has holes, you gotta clog them so the water doesn't leak out. We'll get to that later, but right now we're just gonna clog them. Once your Easter eggs are filled, you want to glue the bottom and then glue it to the bottom of your rocket, so that way you have the top to hold on to. Oh, we're running out of glue again. The purple one. This is my rocket, so I'm gonna go. For this next step, you'll need your rocket, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and water. Put your Alka-Seltzer tablet into the top and then squirt your water into the bottom. That seems like enough. Okay, that's gonna do it first because I want to see. This is my rocket. It has its wings and its cone, and we made it for Memorial Day. And it's gonna fill up with air and then shoot.
All right, let me see yours. All right, and what do you guys have on? What should you always wear?
Safety glasses.
All right.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water in the rocket. We're gonna put it on the cork here, and then we've got a trigger here where you guys can pull the rope. Fill it full of air, and once it hits enough pressure, it'll shoot up in the air.
Really high because we're gonna fill it with water. Dad, why does the water help it?
Well, the water's gonna help propel it.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe